Welcome back. Nuve MLA Miki Pacheco's pardon plea is moving from one department to another. Right now it is lying on the table of Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni. However, Nadkarni is in Delhi busy preparing for Madha hearing. He is expected to be back after 4 to 5 days. Last week, IG Prisons had sent the file back to the Home Department stating no specific comment. Miki had appealed for pardon before Goa Governor Mridula Sinha in last week of June. Governor had marked the file to government to submit a report. Now the file is making rounds from one department to another. Miki files pardon before Governor. Governor marks file to government, that is to Chief Secretary. Chief Secretary marks it to Home Department. Home Department marks it to IG Prison for comment and report. IG Prison marks file back to the Home Department. IG Prison makes remark, no specific comment in this matter. Report on Miki submitted by IG Prisons. Home Department marks file to the Chief Minister and Chief Minister marks file to the Advocate General. Now the file is on the table of Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni, but he is in Delhi. He is preparing for Madha hearing. AG is expected to return by weekend. The file will move only thereafter. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent. Pedne Kulmunkar Sangharsh Samiti has threatened to file a plea against government if it does not revoke the amendments to the Tenancy Act. Samiti demanded that amendments should be revoked in the monsoon session of the Assembly itself. Meanwhile, final rites on Dominic Pereira were conducted on Monday evening. Terikol villagers claim that Dominic Pereira died of shock when he realized that his name was mysteriously deleted from Form 1/14. Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrao, who attended the funeral, condemned the incident.
A tenant fighting for getting back his tenancy rights against the promoters of golf course died on Thursday night. The villagers of Terikol had alleged that Dominic Pereira died of the shock when he realized that his name was mysteriously deleted from Form 114. His funeral was attended by politicians, archbishop and a large gathering of people. Deceased Dominic's son, a reverend father in Rome, was present for the funeral. Meanwhile, Kulmunkar Sangharsh Samiti organized a meeting at Dhargar. They have demanded revocation of amendments in the State Tenancy Act or else Samiti will approach the High Court.
इमिजिएट ह्या विधानसभेत जर तर त्यांच्यानी हे क्लॉजा जी आसा ती फाटी घेवंक ना, हे अमेंडमेंट आसा जर ते फाटी घेवंक ना जाल्यार हाय कोर्टान गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या विरोधी रीट पिटिशन फायल करपाक जाय, म्हणजे केस घालपाक जाय की गव्हर्नमेंटान कुळाचेर अन्याय केल्लो आसा. विधानसभेक फक्त आमी एक निवेदन दिवपाचें ठरलेलें आसा. एक निवेदन दिल्या नंतर जर तर तेंच्यांनी करूंक ना जाल्यार विधानसभा सोंपच्या पयलीं रीट पिटिशन्स त्यांच्या सरकाराच्या विरोधात उबे रावतले.
अपेक्षा नासतना हो जो असेंब्लीत धाडटा आनी ते पास करून घेता, खरोखरच ह्या सरकारचो निषेध करपासारको आसा. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी निषेध करपाक.
Vinod Methar for Prudent.
Now, the Pedne Congress has questioned government on collapse services at the Mamlatdar office. People do not find Mamlatdar, joint Mamlatdar and senior officers in the offices during office hours, which creates inconvenience to the visitors. Congress unit submitted a memorandum to Pedne Deputy Collector Narayan Gad. Prudent had recently highlighted the issue.
पेडणे मतदारसंघात मांद्रे मतदारसंघ आमचे जे ग्रामीण भागासून लोक येता पेडण्या तांकां वेळार हांगर कोण सारकें मेळना. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणल्यार जे सरकारी ऑफिसर आसात खंयच्या ऑफिसान गेलो जाल्यार तो भायर सरला किंवा आनी खंय आसा आनी कितें खंय गेला ही उत्तरां आयकूंक मेळटा. तशेंच टावन प्लॅनिंग आसूं, इलेक्ट्रीक डिपार्टमेंट आसूं, PWD आसूं, ही सगळे सरकारी अधिकारी आसा तर वेळेवर मेळचे हो मुख्य उद्देश आसा.
आमचे सामान्य लोक जे आसात तांकां 2-2, 3-3 ट्रिपी हांगा मारचे लागतात. त्यांचे टायम त्यांचो वेस्ट जाता. तर त्यांच्यावर लक्ष दिवचो. सगळेच कामगार प्रामाणिक ना अशें आमी म्हणनात. काही स्टाफ प्रामाणिक आसता, काही स्टाफ त्याची दखल बरोबर घेयना. जो सरकार आसा तो जो गतिमान आज जे कामां गतिमान तरेन जी फुडें फास्ट स्पिडीन चालू आहा अशें म्हणटा ते सारकें ना. तेन्ना ते मातशी गती कामाची वाडोवची.
Prudent recently had highlighted the issue as the locals complained about the non-availability of the senior officers, including Mamladars and joint Mamladars in the office. Locals were agitated as their visits often go waste. Vinod Methar for Prudent.
The scientists should think out of the box and come out with research that can push the nation on growth path by benefiting the public. The Union Science and Technology Minister Harshvardhan has appealed the scientists. He said Narendra Modi-led government is committed towards science and its progress. Union Minister was speaking at the 12th International Symposium on Antarctic Earth Science in Panji.
साइंस की रिसर्च का एक नया डायरेक्शन तय करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जिसमें साइंस का फोकस जनता के साथ और समाज के साथ और ज़्यादा कनेक्ट हो। साइंस जनता के और समाज के हित के लिए उसके प्रिंसिपल्स का इस्तेमाल हो। और अभी तो हम ये मानते हैं कि पॉलिसी फॉर साइंस के स्थान पर साइंस फॉर पॉलिसी, इस प्रकार की सोच के साथ आगे बढ़ना आवश्यक है, जिसमें साइंस की रिसर्च, साइंस के वैज्ञानिक प्रिंसिपल्स, इनका इस्तेमाल जनहित की पॉलिसीज़ को बनाने के लिए सरकार करे। नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में हमारी भारत की सरकार की साइंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट के लिए, साइंटिफिक इंटेलेक्चुअलिज्म के लिए, साइंटिस्ट के लिए एक भरपूर कमिटमेंट है। और ये कमिटमेंट हमने श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के समय से प्राप्त की है।
Representatives of more than 40 countries attended the symposium on Antarctica Earth Science in Panji. Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Murgaon police detained 6 tourists who were misusing identity card of a lady excise inspector from Hyderabad. They were arrested on Monday at Murgaon Harbour. Police also have attached their car which had sticker of police department. Murgaon police are further investigating into the case.
ये किसका कार्ड है रे? कार्ड किसका है? ये कार्ड किसका है? कौन मैडम? कौन मैडम?
हैदराबाद में
आप ये लेके
नहीं
अभी पुलिस को ये कार्ड दिखाया तुम लोग?
किसको भी नहीं दिखाया, पूरा टोलगेट आप बांध क्या है भाई?
ये गाड़ी किसका है?
गाड़ी साहब की है।
हाँ, ये कौन है?
कौन?
ये कौन है? ये आपके गाड़ी में बैठा है वो कौन है?
फ्रेंड्स है पूरा। फ्रेंड्स है, ऐसा टूरिस्ट देखने के लिए, गोवा देखने के लिए आए।
वो कार्ड क्यों दिखाया पुलिस को?
किसको भी नहीं दिखाया।
बाद में वो इधर बाहर कैसे मिला था?
मेरा मैडम की है गाड़ी।
हैदराबाद में था ना, वो लोग हैदराबाद में ऐसा यूज करते।
ये कार्ड?
हाँ,
ये कार्ड तुम लोग यूज करते?
नहीं, हम लोग यूज करते, आंटी यूज करते। तो हम लोग का ये कार्ड ऐसा ट्रेवल्स भी
ऐसा यूज करने को मिलता है?
नहीं, हैदराबाद में सर, नहीं यहाँ पे ना, हैदराबाद में यूज करते लोग। तो ये गाड़ी ट्रेवल्स पे यूज करता है।
अभी ये क्यों दिखाया कार्ड?
लोग किसको नहीं दिखाया? सर पूछा आईडी कार्ड दिखाओ, मैडम किसको?
ये कार्ड अभी कौन दिखाया?
सर पूछे थे, दिखाओ बोल के दिखाए थे।
कौन की? ये क्यों दिखाया? तुम्हारा कार्ड नहीं है?
मेरे पास।
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.